You are going to love the 2023 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, Sirius XM radio. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.